This tutorial shows how to highlight important content using a modern ring-style layout that grabs attention instantly without overwhelming the design. Open Photoshop and create a square canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a large circle shape in the center. Remove the fill and increase the stroke thickness to create a ring. Duplicate the ring and resize the duplicate slightly smaller, changing its color for contrast. Now place an icon or short headline text in the center of the rings using the Type tool. Around the ring, add small dot or mini circle shapes to represent key features. Carefully space them evenly for balance. Finish by double-clicking the main ring layer and applying a soft outer glow. Zoom out, the design now feels premium, focused, and ideal for feature highlights.